For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I've found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free.
Hey guys, and welcome back. As you guys know, Lexi and Hunter moved into a new house in October, and Lakely's room is one that we've kind of just put off, and it's really been used kind of as storage. She still is in Lexi and Hunter's room, so she doesn't really use this room a lot anymore. She doesn't use the change-in table anymore. Like I said, it's really just kind of storage in here. Things are put in here that she doesn't really use anymore, things like that. So I wanted to take out things that she didn't use and make this a little room for her. Lexi said she has been showing interest in this room. She's been crawling back here, coming in here and getting toys out. So I thought it would just be nice to make it her own. Lexi had found some wallpaper she really liked and she ordered that. So she wanted to kind of redo the nursery that she had before. She said the only thing she really missed about her old house was Lakely's nursery, but we really didn't want to do the exact same thing just because she's not a teeny tiny baby anymore. So she found some boho rainbow wallpaper and she wanted board and batten on the bottom. In the old nursery, the board and batten was a little shorter, so we did this one a little bit taller. We didn't do it all the way around like we did in the other room. We just changed it up a little bit, changed the colors up, and just made this Lakely's little room, and she loved it. I do get her reaction when she comes home and sees it. They have been on vacation, so I asked her two things. I was going to be staying here watching the dogs, so I said, will you leave it dirty? Like, don't clean anything. That way I can clean it for content and it'll be something different for everybody to get to watch. So she was like, okay. And then I asked her if I could go ahead and do Lakely's room while she wasn't here, because originally Lexi was going to help me. So she was like, sure, I don't mind at all. So I did FaceTime Lexi and keep her in the loop as things were going on and ask her what she wanted in here to keep and what she didn't, all that. We took the change-in table out. We took that pack and play down. We took the front off her crib and just made it like a little toddler bed just because she doesn't sleep in this bed. So at least she can get up there and lay down or play, whatever. So it turns out super cute, I think, and Lakely loved it. So that's all that matters.
Your face is written across your face. If you want to go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you want to cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be brave, brave, brave.
This was by far the best quality wallpaper I've ever worked with. It was so thick and so sticky. I would stick it and like pull it loose to maybe get a wrinkle out or to straighten it up or something, and it literally took paint off the wall. So this is definitely not something that's renter friendly. Every other wallpaper I've used, it's been like removable, and this says it is, but it's super sticky. So don't have to worry about that coming down for sure. But the wallpaper in her old nursery was super thin. I remember you could like see through it, but this one is not at all. I mean, if this wall had have been black, it would have still been fine because you could not see through it. It's just really good quality. As I was taking the front off of her crib, I remembered putting that crib together for the first time. and we filmed it and we were putting it together. We put it together like backwards, the wrong side. The directions were awful. I can remember being so aggravated. I looked at Heather and I said, turn the camera off. Like, I was done. I was so aggravated, but you know, it's just a learning process. Things are so different now, whereas when my kids were small, they have all of the, you know, newest, neatest things, and I wish we had had some of these things when my kids were little. But as I was taking the front of that crib off, I was thinking, when I put this crib together for the first time, I could not wait for her to get here. And it's so funny because, you know, you kind of have them pictured what they're going to look like and what they're going to be like as a person and a little girl, and Lakely is completely different than I thought. I figured she would be bald-headed. None of my kids had hair till they were like 2 years old. And Lakely came out with a head full of black hair, and that threw me off. And she didn't really look like what I had pictured. And even when I pictured her being like a toddler and a little girl, she is nothing like what I pictured. Going off Lexi's personality, I figured she would be the sweetest, most shy, timid little girl. And Lakely is a little bit shy with strangers, but she is like not the easiest baby. We have ruined her for sure. I remember looking at Lexi the other day and I said, if she wasn't my granddaughter, like, I would not volunteer to babysit her. She's just not easy. She is so hard-headed and she's so strong-willed, and she's just like stubborn and throws temper tantrums, and she's just her own little person and so independent. She doesn't want help. About a month ago, she learned to climb. So she climbed up in her rocking chair. She grabbed the back. She put one knee up in the chair. She grabbed the back of the chair with her hand and pulled herself up. The second time she went to do it, she just put her knee up in the chair and didn't grab the back of the chair. Like, she couldn't pull herself up. She couldn't figure it out. So I went to help her, like, just to boost her up a little bit, and she threw a fit. She was like, not having it. She didn't want help. She sat there and cried until she finally figured it out. And she is adorable. I love her so much. Her personality is just so cute at times, but she's so much fun to just get to watch and see who she's becoming and all that. It's just so much fun. But we did this wall half and half. The wall is 8 foot tall. So we did 4 feet of wallpaper, 4 feet of board and batten, and then we put this stained piece of wood just to break it up a little bit. We started to do white, and after we got to looking, we were like, it kind of would look really good with that just wood look, since it's a little boho-ish. So we ended up doing the stained piece of wood. I was looking at ideas like board and batten, walls, something different, because I feel like I do board and batten everywhere all the time. But we were looking and we really couldn't figure anything out like different to do. And then this is what Lexi asked for. I started just to paint the bottom and do a piece of trim to separate it and then do the wallpaper on top. So that's what we were going to do. And I talked to Lexi and she said something about the board and batten. And I was like, okay, I've got to do board and batten. That's what she's wanting. That's what she's expecting. So we did that. She picked the color out. We matched it from the wallpaper. And Lexi picked that. Allison really wanted that light teal bluish green color that's in the rainbow, but Lexi really wanted the peachy color. And I have no idea how to pronounce the color of this wall, but I'll pop it up here. This is a bear color, got it mixed at Home Depot, and bear paint. But this is the color that she chose, and it matched perfect, and it looks so good when it's done.
I hope it never ends, us being more than friends, yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day, yeah. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, I can't believe you love me.
if you're going to do board and batten, take the extra 10 minutes and caulk those seams. I see so many people that do board and batten and it looks so pretty until they get like up close and doing like an overview, and I'm thinking, oh my gosh, if you had just taken 10 minutes and caulked around the board and batten strips where everything meets the wall, it makes it look so seamless, like there's no gaps, cracks, anything. But a lot of people don't do that, and I guess that's okay. I just think it looks so neat and clean if you caulk it, and it just looks seamless. So I wasn't sure about this paint color. I'm just gonna be honest with you. You know, if it were up to me, I'd paint it black. Of course, right? But no, seriously, it was just kind of different. I was kind of thinking pink, like a really light faded pink color. And I told you guys Allison liked the teal blue color, but I asked Lexi, I was like, what do you think, like paint color wise? You've seen the wallpaper, and she said she really liked the peachy color. When I first started painting, it was kind of bright, and I was like, oh, I don't know if it's going to match. But as it dried, it was perfect. Like, I couldn't have came any closer. So we did take the whole roll of wallpaper in Home Depot and matched it up that way, and I'm so glad we did, because there's no way we could have gotten this close just, you know, by going on memory or thinking of what color we wanted or whatever. But I do think it turned out super sweet, super pretty. I found these little boho lights down in her basement, and I started to put those up, but the plug-in is right next to the first little bulb, and I'm like, okay, you can't hang those on the ceiling because there's no outlet up there. So I don't really know why they didn't make that cord longer, but that would have been really cute. But I did have a lot of things to choose from. She hadn't hung anything up that was in her previous nursery, but I did hang as much as I could. I made one wall just kind of a busy wall and put several different things up, and then I just threw things up on the wall. You know, it's really not boho everything, and that's okay. It's okay to have different things. There was a lot of things that said some of the sweetest stuff, like one picture I got her and it said, God is watching over you, I know because I asked. And I love that because I begged God to keep her safe. I begged God to just let her be here and just to let her be okay. I can remember praying more when Lexi was pregnant than I had ever prayed in my life. And I'm so grateful that He heard me and He answered my prayers and He's kept her safe. I'm so thankful that He handpicked her, because she couldn't have been any more perfect for us. Even if she's hard-headed, she couldn't be any more perfect. So in her old nursery, we had her name up on the wall, and we actually wallpapered that. It was just on a solid wall, and it had the wallpaper on it from the opposite wall, so it just matched and went. But we peeled that wallpaper off those letters, and Allison sat at the table and painted those for me. So we hung those up, and I just kind of eyeballed it so it's not perfect. The wallpaper's not perfect either. If you'll notice at the top, the rainbow is kind of slanted at the end. Like it kind of it's not perfect, and that's okay, because we're not perfect. We're just not perfect people. I couldn't get the wallpaper perfectly straight because you couldn't peel it back off. I mean, this stuff was sticky. But anyway, we painted her name and put that up, and I think that was the first thing when she walked in that she's seen. She kept looking up at it, and it was so sweet. But I do think this turned out adorable. I wanted to build her a teepee, guys. When I was looking at boho rooms, almost every little girl's room had a little teepee in it, or a little chair hanging from the ceiling, or whatever. And I wanted to build her a little teepee so bad. She'll go under Lexi's vanity and sit, and it's just like a little enclosed spot for her. So I figured she would like that, but we didn't get to that. So the next morning I woke up, and a friend of mine that her daughter plays volleyball with, Allison, she was selling a little teepee in her yard sale. So I got that for $10, and it's from Hobby Lobby. That's the brand. It just says Hobby Lobby on the tag. But it is adorable and perfect shape. So I'm so grateful for that. She's going to have so much fun with it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I've got like 2 more videos filmed. I've just got to sit down and voice over. It's been spring break, so we kind of been taking it easy. But yeah, so I'll get those edited for you and get those up. I've got a really good cleanup video from Lakely'S coming up, and it was a good one. So stay tuned for that. If you really like to see something go from really messy to really clean. You're going to love that video. But anyway, here's little Lakey's reaction.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget.
She looked up at her name. Do you like it?
Get up there. Get up there.
Oh, really? Oh, do you like it?
She shook her head too. Go. What do you think?
Hunter, look in your room.
Oh my God.
It's just $10.
She loved it.
Well, you said she liked to sit under your vanity.
Yes.
But that folds up flat. Like you can move it anywhere. It's just 4 sticks.
I told you he'd be the first one in it.
Hunter approves. You got a teepee.
She'll like that.
I wanted to put it in her room, but there was no room. And I was like, I'd have to move that chair out. I don't know where to move it.
Where's Lakey?
Boo!
Where's Lakey?
Boo!
Where? Boo!
You like it? When we were looking at boho stuff, all these rooms had teepees. I was like, let's build her a teepee. It's just like 3 sticks and cloth. And so we just didn't. And then I seen it this morning on Facebook. I was like, oh my God, tell Sam I want that.
Customized and stuff. It's expensive.
She likes that bed, don't she? I thought about getting some material and making like a duvet for that.
Yeah. It feels so much bigger.
It's hard, I wanna be a shining light. Live a life that shows through the darkness. A fire burning in the night.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, there's a really good cleaning video coming up, so be looking for that. But I love you guys. Jesus loves you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus.